Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Crack J in English, the channel of Unacademy. And I'm Jeetendra Dixit. Yeah, good, sound is perfect. So here is my profile. So let me give you my short introduction. My name is Jeetendra Dixit and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. I've been mentoring IIT-JEE aspirants for last 11 years. I teach mathematics, and in this session we will continue AOD. So we are doing tangent and normal. So up to intersection of two curves we have angle of intersection of two curves we have covered, and today we'll learn shortest distance between two curves. Okay, so before we begin, let me tell you about the Unacademy subscription. So as you know, Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform, and you can buy two types of subscription on Unacademy, right? Two subscriptions. One is plus and other is, yeah, one is plus subscription and other is iconic subscription. So when you get plus subscription, you get access to daily live classes of, just a moment. Yeah. So when you buy plus subscription, then you get access to daily live classes of all the educators who are teaching for IIT-JEE. Now you can watch their live sessions. Okay. You can follow any educator of your choice. All the educators who are teaching on Unacademy, you can watch their live sessions. All right. If you miss something, you can watch recorded sessions as well. All live tests and quizzes will also be accessible to you. So this is unlimited access you are getting once you have plus subscription. And these are the subscription charges. You can buy subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 and 24 months. All right. Now 1 month subscription charges 7,000, 3 months is 17,500, and 6 months. Similarly, 12 and 24 months, these are the best because average per month price is very low in these two. You can see 3,200 in 12 months and 2,333 in 2 years. And above that, you get 10% discount using this code JEET. Once you use this referral code, and you'll get 10% discount. So final price for 1 year is going to be 34,650, and for 2 years it is going to be 50,400. The second is iconic subscription. In this subscription, you get all the benefits of plus, and apart from that, you also get a personal coach who guides you throughout your preparation for top exams. Your test analysis is done in a personalized manner. Personalized feedback will be given to you to improve your time management and exam approach. Your study planner will be customized. Bi-weekly reviews will be given, highlighting your progress. All right. So all these extra benefits you are getting in iconic subscription, uh, and these are the subscription charges. You can subscribe for 1 year in 56,000, uh, and 86,000 for 2 years, and of course you'll get 10% discount using the same code, same referral code JEET1. Okay, so apply this code and get 10% discount. So these are two types of subscription I was talking about, and this is Unacademy's learning app which you can download from Play Store. And as you know, on Unacademy there are many things which you get for free also, like a special classes. So every day, all many educators take a special classes. I mean, on a different days you will find other educators taking a special classes. So everybody take a special classes on some or the other day. So you can watch their special classes. Their topic wise, like some special topics are taken by these educators. I also take a special class at 9 o'clock in the evening. Generally I take doubts, and in evening time I also take some topics like integration, sometimes complex numbers, some practice sessions like KBPY session. All right, so all these different special classes are going on. So you just download this learning app, make your account and check. Even at this time, if you check, then there will be 3-4 educators will be taking special classes. So these unlimited special classes are free. You can attend these special classes without paying anything. Okay. Similarly, YouTube videos, there are so many YouTube channels of Unacademy where educators are teaching live, thoroughly. Okay, like I am teaching on this channel. AOD is going on, so you can watch these YouTube channels also. Okay, they are also very helpful. All right, so now let's begin. We wanted to do shortest distance between two curves. Okay. So see, whenever you have two curves like this, and this is another curve, then shortest distance between two curves occur along their common normal. Say this is a common normal, okay? So if this line is a common normal, so generally it happens that shortest distance occur along their common normal. Say, so AB is a common normal, okay? If common normal does exist, okay? If common normal does exist. So say this curve is y is equal to fx and this is y is equal to gx. Now, how to find this common normal? Okay, so if you get common normal, so what should be the procedure? So I'll tell you how to find the shortest distance. First of all, we should understand this thing that if common normal does exist, then tangents will be parallel at the feet of normals, right? At A and B. A and B are feet of normals. So at A and B, if you plot tangents, then tangents will be parallel. But if tangents are parallel, then if tangents at A and B are parallel, then AB will be common normal. That is not true. Okay. If you see this, if you have a look at this graph like this and this, so if tangents are parallel at A and B, that means converse is not true. Okay. If tangents are parallel at A and B, then AB will be common normal. No, that is not true. But if AB is common normal, then tangents at A and B will be parallel, okay? So that's an important point. So how to do it? See how to find this common normal. Just a moment. Okay. All right, let's continue. So first we'll take this point A. Let A is uh, x1 comma f of x1, and let A point and B point is x2 comma f of x2. In parametric form you can take these points, okay? So first you have taken these points, then because you have got two parameters x1 and x2, so you need to get two equations. If you get two equations, then you can solve those two equations to find x1 and x2. Once you get x1 and x2, then you can find distance formula, okay? So second is make two relations. So how would you make two relations? First relation is that slope of normal at point A, okay, at point A is equal to slope of AB. Slope of AB. See, that was not true in this case, right? So slope of normal at A is equal to slope of AB. So slope of normal at A is nothing but dx upon d fx at x1 with minus sign, and that is equal to slope of AB. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that is fx2 minus, I'm sorry, this is gx2. So that's gx2 minus fx1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, this is relation 1. And similarly, relation 2 is this first relation. Second relation is slope of, similar relation, slope of normal at B. Slope of normal at B. So slope of gx at B basically. First slope was slope of normal at AB. It's common normal, okay? Is equal to slope of AB again, right? So now it is minus of dx upon d gx at this point x2, and that is equal to again same gx2 minus g fx1 divided by x2 minus x1. All right, as relation 2. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 to get x1 and x2. And once you get x1 and x2, then apply this shortest distance. So shortest distance AB is going to be under root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus fx1 minus gx2 the whole square. All right, like this. So this is the procedure which basically in different curves does not uh, I mean, it will not be so lengthy, which it is looking like in this. Okay, so I'll start with first question. Three types of questions generally asked. One is if one of the curve is a straight line and the other curve is any other curve and a straight line, that is the extremely easy case. Okay, so let's start with that. Second is a circle and some other curve. So that is again will reduce some calculation if one of the curve is circle. And third is two standard curves. You can have like two parabolas, one ellipse, one circle, one ellipse, one parabola. These type of conics you mostly will have. Okay, so these questions, and then they have some uh, different ways of asking this shortest distance. So we'll do those type of questions also later. So let's start with taking one of the curve as line and another curve as some other curve. Okay. So find the shortest distance between. Oh yeah, I'm giving you the extremely easy problem. X plus y is equal to 5 root 2 and x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4y plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, shortest distance between these two curves. In this you don't need to do any calculation, by the way. No calculus will be used in this. Okay, you try it first of all to get a feel. Okay, so I hope you have got it. You've got the answer. Let's see. So as you know, this curve is this second curve is basically circle, which you can write x plus 1 the whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 you can do, and y square plus 4y plus 4 and minus 4 plus 4 is already there by the way. Yeah, and minus 1. This will get cancelled. So this will be y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 1. So that is a circle, right? With center minus. So in this case, hello Subhash. So in this case, you know, centers are minus 1 comma minus 2 somewhere here, and radius is 1. So somewhere here. The circle will be like this. और थोड़ा यहाँ ले लेते हैं. Circle will touch y-axis, although that all those things are not required by the way. You just no, even you don't even need to plot these x and y axis. I'm just plotted it. Just randomly make this line x plus y is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, and this circle whose center is minus 1 comma minus 2. So you need to find the distance, shortest distance between. So shortest distance occur along the common normal, you know, right? So that is true in this case also. Common normal is basically normal of circle is a line which passes through center of the circle, and line any line which is perpendicular to the given line will be normal to that line. So we need to find a line which passes through the center of the circle, so that will become and perpendicular to the given line. So draw one such line like this. So this is a common normal, right? 90-degree here, and it will cut the circle also at 90-degree because it is passing through center. Okay, so this is common normal. The shortest distance is basically if this point is say A and this point is B and this point is A, then shortest distance is equal to AB, which is nothing but AO, distance of center from line minus radius of the circle. So you'll find the distance of center from this line. So that is going to be minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 root 2 divided by what? Divided by root 2? Yeah, divided by root 2 mod and minus radius. So this is AO, right? AO. So AO, we have got AO is how much? 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by root 2 minus radius of the circle is 1. Okay, so yeah, so finally you can write 3 plus 4 root 2 divided by 2. This does not involve any calculus, but uh, but it was just to make sure that what will be in the case of circle, what will happen in the case of line. So just to understand that, I have given you this question. So I hope you understood. Okay, so any line which is perpendicular to the given line will be normal to the given line, and any line which passes through center of the circle will be normal to the circle. So you don't need to put any extra efforts to find normal of a line or normal of a circle. Okay, but in other cases you'll have to find normal. Okay, now let's move to another case. Second question. Find the shortest distance between y square is equal to 4x and uh, y is equal to x plus say 4. Try this one again, it's an easy. I hope the previous one is clear. Now try to find the answer of this. Getting the answer? All right, let me do it then. So it's a parabola, it's a known curve, by the way, and even if it is not known, then it will work. So parabola is like this: y square is equal to 4x, and this is a line. Say line is like this. Now you need to find the common normal. So we know that any line which is perpendicular to the given line. So given line y is equal to x plus 4. So any line which is perpendicular to this line and normal to the parabola. This now common normal will look like this. This is common normal, right? So you can see this is going to be the shortest distance. Okay. So we use slope of normal. So in case of line, when you are finding a shortest distance between line and curve, slope of normal is already known because it's a perpendicular line to the given line. Okay. So slope of normal is nothing but in this case is -1. Okay. Say this point is A and this point is B. So slope of common normal is equal to -1. Second important point is you don't need to take point A, don't need to assume point A, just assume B, the point on the other curve other than line. So this point you can take t comma all right, t comma A is 1, 280, 80 square, A is 1, so t square comma 2t. Okay, you can take t comma something also like t square comma 2t will work. Okay, you know how to take points on a parabola, but you can take any other way, doesn't matter. You can take x is equal to t, y is equal to 2 root t, like that also. Okay, so t square comma 2t, this is the point. Now normal at b, slope of normal at b, even if you can do it in x and y, at b is equal to, okay, so differentiate this. If you differentiate it, the dy by dx is equal to 4. So dy by dx is equal to 4 upon y. Okay, so minus dx upon dy. So that is basically minus of y upon 4, right? And minus y upon 4, y if you can write in terms of t, or you can use x and y also. Doesn't matter. Let's take this point x1, y1, okay? So y1. So minus y1 by 4 is equal to minus 1. This one, this slope. So you'll get y coordinate of the point B. So y1 is equal to 4. You got y1 is equal to 4. So x1 is equal to also 4. X, if you put in this curve, y1 square is equal to 4x1. So this B point B is 4 comma 4. Now 4 comma 4 B you have got, and you need AB. So AB is basically perpendicular distance of. Now it's a simple question. There's a line. There's a line x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a point 4 comma 4, and you need this perpendicular distance, right? So distance of a point from a line. So 4 minus 4 plus 4 divided by root 2. So it is 4 by root 2, that is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 is your answer. I hope you understood the process. Okay, so this was the case. Now let's do one more problem. Now I am giving you one question in which a circle and a parabola is given. Circle and some other curve. I'm taking parabola. Find the shortest distance between Okay, so now it's a parabola and one circle. Now try this. Even if you get the slope of normal, you can write the answer. Okay. No problem, Subhash. You can just write the answer of slope. Okay. If you're getting the slope of normal, so you just let me know. Okay. After that, we will finish it. I'll verify your slope. So if I plot, meanwhile I'm plotting these two curves, you just keep solving it. Hmm. All right. Parabola is like this, same as the previous one. Circle center side, center of oh, all right. Sorry, center is 0, 4. I should make this axis slightly draw. This is the parabola, and so this was 0, 4. Radius is 1, so short circle, small circle of radius 1. All right. So common normal, common normal of circle and common normal of circle, normal of circle passes through its center. Okay. So common normal will pass through center of the circle, right? That is an important point. This is tangent. It doesn't look like normal, but all right. So this is the common normal. Okay. This is common normal. This point is say A, this point is O, and this point is B. So shortest distance is AB, right? Shortest distance, D minimum, is equal to AB, and this is common normal. So how to start? You can take this point in terms of t, and you know how to write the normal equation of normal. We generally remember the equation of normal for this particular parabola, and even if even if it is a different parabola, then you can write the equation of normal. We know how to write the equation of normal, right? So because it's a standard parabola, so we can take this point 80 square comma 280. So this is t square comma 2t, and in terms of t equation of normal to parabola, normal to parabola. So yes, obviously we'll use the benefit of uh, standard curves whose normal we have memorized. So normal to the parabola is y at a t point. This is y plus tx is equal to 280 plus 80 cube. So a is 1. A is 1. We'll put a is equal to 1. Okay. Now, as we have got this normal equation of normal, we need to find t. So this normal is passing through this normal. This normal passes through center of the circle. So what is center of the circle? 0, 4. So 0, 4. So we need to put 0, 4 in this. If we put 0, 4 in this, okay, so now it is actually I've given the values randomly. So I don't know. Let me change. Let me see if we are getting. Okay, I'm doing some slight change here. Say this point is 3. Okay, this point is 3 center. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us to find t, because in every case we can't solve cubic. So I'm just changing the data only. Okay, everything is same. So this data means I'm just changing the y coordinate of center of the circle. So now there's no this numerical data I have changed. Okay, there's 3. This point is 0, 3. So this point is now also. So this normal will pass through 0, 3. 0, 3. So I'll put 0, 3 in this. and it's going to be 3 plus 0 is equal to 2t plus t cube. Now you understood, right? Why have I done this 0 comma 3? T cube plus 2t is equal to 3. Okay, so our purpose was to understand this method, and we have got it. So now by using hit and trial, we can get t is equal to 1. You know how to find one root of a cubic. You always use hit and trial, okay? You just put the factors of this in the equation. Factors of constant. So factors of 3 are plus minus 1 and plus minus 3. So t is equal to 1. So t is equal to 1 we have got. Yeah, so t is equal to 1 and slope of this normal will be minus 1 because slope is minus t. So point coordinates of point A will be, now we have got A. So A is what? A is 1 comma 2 and O is already known. O is 0 comma 3. So shortest distance AB is equal to AO minus radius. You don't need to find B, okay? You don't need to find B. First find the distance of A from center of the circle and then subtract radius, okay? So B is not required at all. So you know, in all such cases we have some privilege. So AO, what is AO? AO is 1 square plus 1 square, so it is root 2. It is root 2, okay? AO is root 2 and minus radius is 1, so it is very close. Root 2 minus 1. This distance is root 2 minus 1, very close. If you double the radius of the circle, this will cut. If you make the radius of the circle 2, then it will cut the parabola. You can see that, right? Shortest distance will become negative. Huh? So in this case, answer is root 2 minus 1. I hope you have got it. Huh? Any doubt? Let me know. So this was the problem of shortest. Now I'll give you, as I was telling you, that there are some questions in which this concept is applicable. We need to find the shortest distance, but he will not tell you. He'll give you one expression to find the minimum value of that expression. And that basically represents the shortest distance between two curves. So you will have to identify what is that expression exactly means. Okay, so find, I'm giving you one such question. The minimum value, find the minimum value of, find the minimum value of uh, sine x minus y the whole square plus cos x minus 1 upon y the whole square. Okay, try to figure it out. Okay, what is, you need to find the minimum. X and y belong to any real numbers. This is the question. Very, very beautiful question. Try to figure it out. Got it? Getting any idea how to do it? What is this written? See, um, if I take this value, see, if I take one point as sine x comma cos x, because x is a parameter, so you can say sine alpha cos alpha, and the other point as y comma 1 upon y. This is say a, this is point b. Then AB is nothing but under root of, then AB square is nothing but this expression, the given expression, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, right? Sine x minus y, the whole square plus sine cos x minus 1 upon y, the whole square. Are you understanding something? Yeah. So basically, it's a distance between these 2 points, okay? Now, these 2 points are variable, and because x and y coordinates of these points are connected, so they will lie on some curve. What is the curve on which this point lies? This point sine x comma cos x lie, this lie, this point A lies on a circle of radius 1, of course, right? So if you plot a circle, small circle of radius 1, okay, so it is going to be uh, capital X square, you can take capital Y square is equal to 1. So any point on this circle can be taken as sine alpha comma cos alpha. You can change the name of the variable, it doesn't matter, okay? So whether you write sine alpha comma cos alpha or sine x comma cos x, it's the same thing, okay? So this is A is a point on this circle. A is on this circle. And what is this point y comma 1 upon y? This is a point, B is a point on this curve. X into y is equal to 1, right? Here x into y is equal to 1. So this B point satisfies it. And what is this x into y is equal to 1? This is a hyperbola, right? Do you remember that? So hyperbola is like this. Hyperbola is like this. Rectangular hyperbola, you know that, right? Rectangular hyperbola. It's like this. Symmetric. Right? So it's a rectangular hyperbola. So this T comma point B lies on this. Point B lies on this. So AB is nothing but AB is nothing but this distance, this distance. So as A is varying, now I hope you understood this, right? A is moving on this circle, B is moving on this hyperbola, okay? B is moving on that hyperbola. So AB will keep changing. So AB will be minimum when you then AB is minimum along the common normal, shortest distance, because AB represents the distance between circle and hyperbola, right? So along the common normal, and common normal, you know, in hyperbola, in in hyperbola, its axis, transverse axis is also one of the normal, right? And circle method, we know that any line which passes through center is a normal. So why am I telling you about this transverse axis? Because in this particular hyperbola, xy is equal to 1. Again, you don't need to differentiate in this particular question. Why? Because this line, which is transverse axis, this line, y is equal to x line, is transverse axis of this hyperbola. Transverse axis. This is a normal, right? And because it is passing through center of the circle also, so it is also normal to the circle. So this transverse axis itself is a normal in this case, okay? So this is common normal. Common normal. And because this is a common normal, so when A comes at this point, A is here, and B comes at this point here, then this will be the shortest minimum value. This will be, okay, let me change the color. Which color shall I use? Yeah, red. Maybe red. Yeah, red will work. Perfect. This AB is the shortest distance, which we can find easily. How do we find it? I'll tell you. Oh, we know the coordinates of B. What are the coordinates of B? 1, comma 1. Y is equal to x line. Solve it with x, y. Put y is equal to x in this. This point is B is nothing but 1, comma 1, right? B is known and O. So AB is nothing but OB minus radius of the circle. So OB is nothing but root 2 and radius of the circle is 1. So answer is same as the previous question, but question is different. Okay, it's a very good question. I hope you understood. Shortest distance between these two curves. Wow. Prakash Kumar Roy, take my name. What will happen? Yeah, I've taken beta. I've taken. Prakash, I have taken. Did you remember me? हम शाम हम सैम में बात कर रहे हैं. I mean, प्रकाश सैम में बात कर रहे हैं मतलब I did not get you. What are you trying to say? Hmm? क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो? Have you attended this session earlier also? Okay. √2 - 1 ऐसे आया कि 0 0 का √2 से इधर से डिस्टेंस निकाला. दिस इज √2. 1, 1 distance between 1, 1 and 0, 0. And minus radius. Radius of this circle is 1. This is radius. So radius is 1. √2 - 1. समझ आया? X, Y is equal to 1 कैसे? Because you can see this Y. See, if you take X is equal to capital X is equal to Y. ये X coordinate and Y coordinate capital Y is equal to 1 upon Y. Then if you multiply them, then X, Y is equal to 1. वैसे ये sin x is equal to sin x लिया and y is equal to sin cos x लिया, स्क्वायर करके ऐड कर दिया x square plus y square, so that is equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square, so we have got this curve. Are you understanding this? Oh, you are in class 10th though. Then beta, this is not for you. You are in class 10th. You should study something else. Okay, so I was about what have you done in class 10th? I'll ask you one question, okay? I'll tell you something from circles, some interesting thing. Have you done circles? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Circle of class 11th also, huh? Okay. Then I'm giving you one question. This is a circle of radius 4. This is another circle of radius 1. But I haven't seen you before. And if I join the centers, then distance between centers is AB is given, say 6. Do you know this AB, this PQ is common tangent, huh? Now you tell me, because this is from class 10th, what is the length PQ? Common tangent. Direct common tangent we call it. कितना आएगा बताओ? You solve it, okay? I have given you a question from class 10th. Where are you from, Prakash? Jharkhand, okay. Bokaro, Bokaro. Hmm. All right. Okay, calculate this PQ. Let's see if you can. I work in Mumbai, but I'm from UP. Are you getting the answer? Not getting. The distance between centers is given radius. I'll tell you one thing. If you join it, center and radius, then this is perpendicular because tangent is perpendicular to radius, right? This angle is 90 degree. So this is given 4. If you join it, it is this is 1, okay? And AB is given 6. You need PQ. Can you try it? Subhash is answering this. This is not for you, Subhash. All right. By the way, answer seems good, correct. See, if I draw a line parallel to, if I draw a line parallel to AB from Q, like this. You can see this, say this point is R, okay? This point is R. Then RQBA is a parallelogram. Why? Because these two lines are parallel, right? Parallel and equal. And these two are also parallel. So it's a parallelogram. So if it is 6, then this will also be 6. RQ is equal to AB is equal to 6, right? Is that okay? Now you can see this triangle. I am copying it here. This is PQ. This, acha, what is this distance PR? ये वाली distance. ये वाली distance. It will be 1. This will be 1, right? This will be 1. Same as this. यहाँ पे 1. And total is 4. So this is going to be 3, right? So it is going to be like this. 3. And this is a right angle triangle. R. This is given 6. This is right angle. This you need X. Huh? So if you apply Pythagoras, then x square plus 3 square is going to be 6 square. X means PQ. So x square is equal to 36 minus 9, 27. So x is equal to root 27. Okay. So this is a formula for direct common tangent. Direct common tangent का मैं formula बता देता हूँ तुम्हें. So it will be good for you. See, if you know centers, center is C1 and center is C2, and distance between center C1 and C2 is C1, C2. Radius of the circle is R1 and radius of the circle is R2. Then length of direct common tangent. Length of direct common tangent is equal to under root of C1, C2 distance between centers square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Okay, वही same diagram बना के कर लेंगे. R1 minus R2 whole square. So this is the formula also. Okay, you can apply this formula directly. Understood this? समझ आया? बोलो प्रकाश. Have you got it? If you have got it, then I'll give you another problem, okay? Because I have taken this concept तो थोड़ा सा और एक और दो problem. Now, in this case, radius of this bigger circle is given. Boards mean वो वाला board, white board, वैसा board. Are you talking about that board? So radius of this is 12 and radius of this is 3. Okay. Now you need to find this direct common tangent, length of direct common tangent. अब बताओ कितना होगा? Only this thing is given. Circle touch each other, okay? क्यों ये इज दिस नॉट क्लियर? बोर्ड वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है? इसमें क्लियरिटी नहीं आती क्यों? Okay, I'll start in some time with smart board. Let me have one. स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे करेंगे. What is the answer? Are you getting it now? हाँ, so I have written the formula. C1 C2 की जगह पे R1 plus R2 डाल दिया है. So R1 plus R2 put कर देंगे. And after simplifying, the formula becomes this. Okay. So when circles touch each other, your answer is correct, Prakash. Good. Answer is 12. And I'm telling you the formula also. Okay. Formula becomes this. When circles touch each other. When circles touch each other. Okay. सही सही है. Your answer is correct. PQ is equal to आएगा 2 under root of this is R1, so 12 into R2, this is 3, so this is 6 into 2 is 12. अभी तो now it is correct ना. Now you are getting the video. Oh, wow. No, it's working fine. मुझे तो दिख रहा है. Hello. Chemistry पढ़ाई है. Let me teach maths only. I like maths. Chalo, nice to meet you. Okay. We are in class 10th. Have fun. You got the formula ना. 2R1 R2 का फॉर्मूला समझ आ गया. 2 root R1 R2. हाँ. It rank on IIT. Your rank. My rank was 2043. 2043. All right. Bye bye. Take care.